So let's go to verse 13.
11-year-old Kavan started singing 3 years ago.
It's just such a treat to actually just be a chorister itself, and to sing in a cathedral this big as well. It's not just singing in a small cathedral or church, it's a wonderful big cathedral. It's definitely a great skill to have. It really just helps me to let out my feelings. If I'm feeling angry, I might end up putting that into music, but then Mr. Halls would ease it off for me. He would just say, calm down, there's nothing need to worry, just focus on the singing and you'll be fine. It's just a great way to just let it out, really.
When Kavan joined the boys' choir at Salisbury Cathedral, he took part in an age-old tradition.
We bump you a chorister of Salisbury Cathedral according to ancient traditions. We welcome you. And that's how we always welcome a new chorister. Back hundreds of years ago, instead of just bumping their head nice and gently, they actually kept bumping your head until your head started bleeding, which is a bit gruesome.
Thankfully, that doesn't happen today, and things are a lot more relaxed.
I'm not going to stop you unless I play lots of wrong notes, in which case I will stop you and blame you for my mistakes. You know how it works?
Our conductor, his dad jokes are just the best, actually.
Try and look good. Just, we can pretend, can't we? I mean,
Why did the chicken cross the road?
I don't know, why did the chicken cross?
Because it wanted to.
Because it wanted to.
Oh dear, oh dear. I suppose the only good thing about these dad jokes are they keep everyone's nerves at bay.
What fun. Here we go.
I had extreme stage fright. I would never do anything in front of a crowd, but singing has helped. I just felt so much more confident.
Confidence boosted, Kavan is also learning to play the piano and bassoon.
If I didn't have music, then there wouldn't be much. Music's been just part of me, and it's a great thing to be able to know how to play some music or to be able to hear it. It's a really nice privilege.
Back at choir practice, Kavan's love of singing isn't without some sacrifice, yet he'd still encourage boys to join.
Although there are those things that you will be missing out, like family time, you're missing out maybe on school things, it's definitely worth it. Everyone is there for you. Even if you're not religious, you'll still enjoy it because it's still an experience of actually just singing itself. No matter what words you're singing, it just matters if you're singing and how you let your emotions out.